guys. This is the CEO of what is your company again, Babu? Hilo Hub. He's the CEO of the Hilo Hub. See what he's doing? Hello, Mr. Sarange.
Don't put that in net
Huh?
Don't even think of it.
Mr. Sarange,
No.
are you okay, Mr. Sarange?
Yeah.
Can you face me, Mr. Sarange? Why you walk so fast?
Because I do fast things.
Huh? Yeah, guys, I'm not kidding. He is the CEO of Hilo Hub. But you know na, he's down to earth. That's why he's receiving lots of blessings. He's reaching his goals in life because he is very humble. Hello, sir. Can you face the camera, sir? I'm doing documentation.
This thing will not go into internet. No.
Not on your timeline, but